I'm actually going to use the tip of the brush. I'll just wipe off any paint I was using. And instead of actually brushing with it, it's almost like I'm going to stamp with it. So I'll show you what I mean. So if you look at the lavender, it's actually made up of a whole lot of little flowers. And so I'm going to start with the light lavender colour. And I'm just going to put it like that. Can you see it's just made that shape? It's almost like a stamp. And I feel like it represents the little shape of these quite well. Now I'm going to go in between the last lot, like a little offset. And because my lavender is on a bit of an angle, and then there's these larger leaves, flowery leaf shape type petals at the top. So I'm going to do a bigger stamp there. There we go. Now I'm going to use this little brush with the side, or you can use a flat brush with it on the edge. And I'm going to choose a colour for this. It's almost like purpley grey, isn't it? So I'm just going to draw that line down, add a bit more paint, make it a bit darker. Nice. Okay, now I want that to dry before I add the next bit. And these ones I'm doing 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to go just really tiny into some of the gaps. Again, I want to work with less water. So just brushing the colour on the tip of the brush and just by eye where you think it needs another. And if we look back at the lavender, maybe a little bit of definition along some of these might just almost a bit of shading or shadowing with the darker colour. Nice. Now if you want to, because there is a bit of this darker colour in here, if you wanted to add a little bit, or a bit of the grey, purpley grey colour maybe. There.